Uh, yes, but it depends on the university as well. So if you are in College Park, the companies come there to hire you. But in case of my universities, they hardly I heard of anyone. I mean, it will be like 10 people out of 1,000 who got an internship call from the career fair. So it depends on the university. Referrals are the best source of getting an opportunity in US. And yeah, the second option will be LinkedIn and Glassdoor Indeed. For some of the positions, it will be like 2 rounds, and that will be it. And for some of the cases, it will be like the initial will be they will give you a coding challenge. You will have 1 week to solve it, and if you do it, then you move forward. Else, it's a reject. It's good. They are really helpful. They help you and they tell you about where you can apply and how should you improve your resume, how should you improve your skills. They help you conducting mock interviews and they will correct you from that. For Maryland area, it's around 25 to $30 per hour. It actually depends on the company. So some of the companies prior to the new H-1B rules, they converted internships, but due to the new rules, they are like, okay, we are not able to sponsor H-1B, so we are not able to convert your internship to full time. But the companies who are able to sponsor for H-1Bs, they will convert you to full time. And it also depends on your performance and how's your rapport with the team. So that's the important thing. Full-time jobs interviews are multiple rounds. So initial will be the same HR screening, and also there will be housekeeping questions like will you require sponsorship, and when is your OPT start date, and these kind of housekeeping questions. And then it will be with the technical team member. So it will be like a focused technical interview, coding, and it will be coding round, and then it will be managerial round. So you'll get the manager will ask some coding questions and some behavioral kind of questions, and he will give you situations, and he can ask in this situation how you will react, or do you have experienced any of this situation in your past work experience, or some similar kind of questions. And then it will be with the director or CEO. It depends on the role actually. So if the role is of business analyst or business intelligence analyst, it will be more focused on visualization. If it's a data analyst, it will be more focused on SQL and how you know the data. If it's a data science opportunity, then how you know about machine learning algorithms and deep learning algorithms. So yeah, it depends on for what position you are applying. For Maryland area, it's between 60,000 to 70,000 USD.